Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Do Not Disturb mode on and off on Oppo Smart Watches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Do Not Disturb. Tap the toggle to the right of Do Not Disturb to turn it on and off. When the toggle is green, Do Not Disturb mode is turned on, and when the toggle is grey, Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. You can also manage Do Not Disturb mode from the quick panel. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, then tap on the moon icon. Here you can turn on Do Not Disturb mode for a specific amount of time. You can choose between half an hour, 8 hours, or always. Tap the time option you would like and Do Not Disturb mode will turn on for the amount of time that you selected. When Do Not Disturb mode is turned on, the moon icon in the control panel will be green. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.